This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Traditional style with nearly 1,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms/2.5 bathrooms, fresh paint, and new carpet. Floor plan features living room, dining room, and family room overlooking covered patio and private backyard. Kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliance package, primary suite with private bath. Off-street parking and attached garage. Established neighborhood convenient to shopping, dining, NOS Oceana, and easy access to I-264. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.